Addition fluency. Try to call out the sum before I do. 0, 3, 5, 2, 5, 4, 5, 1, 4, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5. You did it. Remember, practice makes progress. Keep up the good work.